has been subject to innumerable conquerors, has faced countless battles, and has had her form made malleable by shifting sands. Her name, her very identity, has been a push and pull struggle throughout the ages. It is astonishing then that she's withstood the onslaught and is still very much terra firma. She is Karachi, and it is within her boundaries that architectural treasures have seen the light of day and have heard the knell that has heralded their destruction, all of which unfolded in the eyes of people who've lovingly built and inhabited them. I'm Kohi Murray. Join me as I reveal the history of century-old buildings in this beloved city, never forgetting the people behind them. This week, we'll be talking to Habib Fida Ali, renowned architect and an avid supporter of restructuring and renovating historic buildings. We also hope to look at the splendor of his 19th century villa and get into the mind of this architect and find out why this building and its memories are so important to him. Welcome to Walled Memories. Habib Fida Ali, a man who doesn't need an introduction. But for the benefit of those who don't know him, he is one of the best known architects in Pakistan, reputed to have designed over 200 houses and many commercial projects. Fida Ali was born in 1936 in Karachi, and in 1956 he was admitted to the Architectural Association School of Architecture, being the first Pakistani student there. Graduating in 1962, and between 1960 and 1963 he worked in London, after which he returned to Pakistan to practice with William Perry Associates. In 1965 he established his own office in Karachi. His own designs are bold statements in concrete, which dominate their context. Basic yet strong geometric forms emboldened by the precise use of the material. His own work is modern, concrete architecture, in the tradition of Le Corbusier, Louis Kahn and Tadao Ando. Yet, when he came across this structure some 30-40 years ago, he fell in love and wanted to move in immediately. Habib Fida Ali is a recent occupant of this majestic colonial home. He previously resided in Garden West, formerly known as Cincinnatus Town, in a quaint avenue called Love Lane. One wonders why he left what must have been a splendorous home with the added advantage of having family there. He moved here in the 1970s, sandwiched between Chaudhry Khalikuzaman Road and the Clifton Bridge. The road was named after Chaudhry Khalikuzaman, an Indian Muslim politician and the leader of the All India Muslim Party. He was a strong supporter of Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the Pakistani movement. He migrated to Pakistan in 1947. Khalikuzaman Road, originally titled Kizri Road, is set amidst a bustling traffic-ridden area. So it's surprisingly pleasant to see that the house itself appears to be an idyllic hideaway from the noise and the commotion. Equally surprising yet not so pleasant is the fact that this building was one of 5 along the street. Unfortunately, they have been prey to urban development and have been swapped for unattractive apartment buildings. Habib Fida Ali's dedication at renovating and restoring his current home, a labor of love, has cost him years' worth of commitment and patience. This could be attributed to the history of the architect himself.